you're from Belfast or anywhere in the north of Ireland, you've probably been asked before, where are you from, mate? Where are you from, mate? But have you ever been asked as Gaelic? Well, today's the day. Kajan Crack, welcome back, Smish it down, and we're here with lesson 7. Where are you from? Carb asked to, carb asked to, carb asked to, carab asked to, carb asked to. Where are you from? Carb asked to, cara. Where are you from, mate? Remember we did all the pronouns? You can replace the to with any of the pronouns. Carb asked me, carb asked me. Where am I from? Is as Bell first to me. Is as Bell first to me. I'm from Belfast. I'm only going to give you one more example. I'll give you a website after that you can look up your own city or town name as Gaelic that you can practice yourself. But if you do need help with it, stick it in the comments and I'll try and get you at least the pronunciation. Put the phonics in there for you. So, is as dera me, is as dera me, is derry. Is as dera me, is derry. Depending on where you're from, you may also hear it pronounced a different way as well. Castu, castu, castu. And that's just where they're shortening the phrase a little bit. So castu, castu. But the response is exactly the same. Is as Belfast to me. And as I am from Belfast. Now, maybe you're from Belfast, but you don't live there. That's a completely different question. And we're going to learn that in the next lesson. Remember, I want to keep these things bite-sized, so where are you from? Carbastu, Carbastu is as Belfast to me. So make sure you check the description of this video. I will have the link to the website that will bring you to like an address lookup. You can put in your town and it will give you the name as Gaelic. But if you already know, pop it in the comments. Thanks as always, and slam for now.